Good morning, students. In last class, we discussed about the soil formation, and now here are the factors of soil forming. Factors of soil forming. Here are the five factors: original rocks, climate, topography, biological activity, and time. Original rocks, climate, topography, biological activity, and time. This topic we discuss from the student advisor, and the student advisor's notes will send you in the group. First is the original rocks. Original rocks. The formation of the soil from the original rocks. First of all, here the rocks and start here the weathering. Start here the weathering. Then here weathering the particles here the scattered, and then we got erosionic factors work here, and the erosion and the transportation and the deposition and formation of soil here. Original rocks are an inactive medium of pedogenesis, and the pedogenesis depends on shape of debris here, and their structure, minerals of rock deposition also, and their chemical composition. So different type here the chemical composition of the rocks and the minerals of the rocks are the depend for the formation of the soil. In original rocks, the nature of weathering, here the responsible for the formation of the soil here the first of all is the weathering process. Their rate and the thickness of covering are important elements, and the weathering rates and the thickness of the rocks also the covering and important elements. Yeah, here the for the soil formation, the main factors is original rocks, the parental rocks, and in parental rocks here the process is responsible for soil forming is the weathering, and another is also here the affect the erosion and the deposition. Second is climate. Climate is an important active agent of pedogenesis. Difference in process of pedogenesis are found on the basis of two main elements of climate: rainfall and temperature. Rainfall and temperature. Here the two factors responsible for here forming of soil: temperature and rainfall. Without here the change in the rainfall system, rainfall amount and the temperature, here not formation of the soil. Equal temperature, equal rainfall, here the not condition for the soil formation. Then main elements of the climate in soil formation are slope, rainfall, rate of evaporation, timeline, humidity, temperature, seasonal, and the daily difference in the weather. Daily difference in the weather is also responsible for the soil formation. Then here the equal temperature, equal rainfall system, then not here the conditions, suitable condition for the formation of the soil. Then here the difference in the weather and the temperature and the rainfall, then here condition for formation of soil. Third is topography. Topography is an inactive medium of soil formation. On steep slopes, soil is thin, and in the plain area, soil is deep and thick. Then here the different topographies, then soil formation process is different, and pedogenesis takes place properly at low slopes where erosion is low and weather storage is enough. In flat fields, development of clay takes place, in which living organisms are found in ample amount. In this way, difference in soil is soil, sun facing and sun alignment hill slides here. So different type here the topography and the formation of the soil is here the different here. Then here the biological activities. The biological activities is also responsible the soil formation. The presence of living organism, capacity of retain water, presence of nitrogen in the soil is through the medium of plants and the animals. So here the biological activities are responsible for the soil formation. Organic materials and plants play a role in collection of humus. And the mature soil by after mature soil from biological activity. तो soil formation and the mature soil formation के बाद अगर इससे mature soil बनती है, ठीक ना, इसके लिए हमने किया था कि what here then and soil formation, here the surface and the soil here, soil here, then here the small grasses here, then destroy the small grasses here the by the birds and the wind, different type of seeds here, and seeds यहाँ पे क्या होगा, different type of here the plants here, और जो plants की roots है वो कहाँ पे जाएगी ना, in the plants roots in the beneath the surface, and what here the many type of the bacteria insects यहाँ पे बिल बनाएंगे, then what ये जो मिट्टी है, ये जो soil है अंडर पार्ट की, वो क्या लाएंगे, बाहर लाएंगे, और ये जो soil यहाँ पे बन रही है that is the mature soil by the biological activity. So bacteria and the other organisms of the soil receive gaseous nitrogen from the air and the change into the chemical from which is used by the plants, और जो नाइट्रोजन है उसे क्या करते हैं, नाइट्रेट में चेंज करते हैं. राइजोबियम डिसाइड्स द अमाउंट ऑफ द नाइट्रोजन बीइंग प्रेजेंट इन द प्लांट्स. ants, termites, earthworms work mechanically for play a role in the pedogenesis. Clear? And the time is also there. Here the note 1 day 2 day soil formation, different time, yeah, the long period of the time is required for the soil formation. The development and the profile of the soil depends on time duration. So different type of the soil profile here, there different layer found here, then here the long time period, तो यहाँ पे क्या होगा, प्रोफाइल मैक्सिमम होगा, और शॉर्ट टाइम पीरियड है तो प्रोफाइल क्या होगा, मिनिमम होगा. The development soil deposits for a short time period considered to a premature and there are no layers in it. जब छोटे कम टाइम के लिए होगा, no here the mature soil, then here the long time period, then mature soil gets fully developed only over a long time period. Fully developed soil only a long time period. So all these are the factors soil forming: original rocks, climate, topography, biological activities and time. And now the topic landslides. What is landslides? Due to gravitational force, yeah, here the gravitational force. Work here, gravitational force. This is here the rock and the rocks part here. Rock part here the movement of these rocks parts. ड्यू टू या फॉर ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स, ये यहाँ से ये वाला जो पार्ट क्या हो जाता है, ढह जाता है, गिर जाता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड द लैंडस्लाइड. ए लैंडस्लाइड इज डिफाइंड एज द मूवमेंट ऑफ मास ऑफ रॉक्स, डेब्रिस एंड द सॉइल डाउन ए स्लोप. इस स्लोप के अकॉर्डिंग यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, जैसा कि स्लोप है, ठीक है, बट ये वाला जो पार्ट है यहाँ से क्या हो जाता है, ढह जाता है, गिर जाता है, दैट इज नोन एज द लैंडस्लाइड. एंड हियर द रिस्पांसिबल द फोर्स इज द ग्रेविटेशनल force. Here the difference between the landslide and the mass movement में क्या हो रहा है, जो स्लोप के अकॉर्डिंग ये जो मास है क्या हो रहा है, नीचे आ रहा है, बट यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, ये जो रॉक्स का जो पार्ट है वो पूरा का पूरा क्या हो जाता है, यहाँ से ढह जाता है. लाइक हियर देन दिस रॉक्स हियर, rock here, and at the mining activities, erosion here, ठीक है, और जो अपर पार्ट है कभी कभार क्या हो जाता है, ये यहाँ से पूरा नीचे गिर जाता है, ठीक है, दैट इज known as the landslide. मास मूवमेंट में क्या हो रहा था, जो स्लोप है, स्लोप के अकॉर्डिंग जो मास है वो बिना नीचे आ रहा है. Here the responsible gravity force, but landslide में क्या हो रहा है, in landslide here the part of the rocks here the fall down, that is known as the landslides. Different type here the landslides here, like here the slump. What is slump? Here the slipping of one or several units of rocks debris with a background rotation. Here the work the background rotation with respect to the slope over which the movement of takes place. So here the different type of the movement take place. या तो one part में ये वाला नीचे आ जाएगा part, ठीक है ना, here the rocks, and here the background movement works here the background rotation work here, और background rotation के वर्क करने का जो मेन क्या हो रहा है, स्लिपिंग ऑफ वन और सेवरल यूनिट, या तो वन इसकी यूनिट अकॉर्डिंग वन यूनिट, सेकंड यूनिट ऐसे यहाँ पे, या बहुत सी यूनिट क्या हो जाएगी, एक साथ क्या हो जाएगी, fall down. That is known as the slump. When here the background rotation is not work, so rapid sliding of the earth debris without background rotation of mass, जो background rotation of mass is the not work here, और फिर भी क्या हो रहा है, rapid sliding of the mass, rapid sliding of the debris is known as the debris slide. If here the work background rotation, that is known as the slump, and here not work here the background rotation for the sliding, this is known as the debris slide. Debris slide. And the rock fall. What is rock fall? Here the landslides parts here also, yeah, types here also: slump, debris slide, and the rock fall. Free falling of rock blocks over any free falling of rock blocks over any steep slope, keeping itself away from the slope. देखो यहाँ पे क्या बात कर रहे हैं कि यहाँ से ये जो पार्ट है स्लाइड्स का, रॉक्स का, यहाँ से जो अलग होने के बाद सेपरेट हो रहा है, यहाँ से ढह जा रहा है, ठीक है, यहाँ से अलग हो रहा है, और ये जो स्लोप है, स्लोप से दूर फ्रीडम होकर क्या कर रहा है, स्लाइड हो रहा है, ठीक है। फ्री फॉलिंग हियर द रॉक्स ब्लॉक फ्री, यहाँ से टूट गया, ढह गया, यहाँ से अलग हो गया, देन हियर द फ्री फॉलिंग ऑफ द रॉक ब्लॉक्स ओवर एनी स्टीप स्लोप, यहाँ पे स्टीप स्लोप के अकॉर्डिंग आ रहा है, बट इससे टच नहीं हो रहा है, हियर द फ्री हियर, कीपिंग इटसेल्फ अवे फ्रॉम द स्लोप, और इस स्लोप से अपने आप को क्या रखे हुए, दूर रखे हुए, दैट इज नोन एज द रॉक fall. And the landslide occur in the Himalaya region. Mainly landslide occur in the Himalaya region. The paragraph in the book, in our country debris avalanche, and avalanche से मीन क्या होता है, जब यहाँ पे ग्लेशियर्स, ये जो लैंडस्लाइड हो रहा है ना, लैंडस्लाइड इसकी जगह ग्लेशियर वाला पार्ट हो, ग्लेशियर से यहाँ पे फॉल डाउन, दैट इज नोन एज द avalanche here. तो debris avalanche and landslide occur very frequently in the Himalayas. So mainly in the Himalayas. There are many reasons for this. One, the Himalayas are technically active. Himalayas are technically active. They are mostly made up of sedimentary rocks. And unconsolid and semi-consolid डिपॉजिट्स. एक तो क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पे टेक्टोनिक प्रोसेस हो रहा है, अभी भी क्या हो रहा है, जो इंडियन प्लेट है और यूरेशियन प्लेट है उसमें क्या हो रहा है, कोलैप्स हो रहा है, टकराव हो रहा है, उससे क्या हो रहा है, अभी भी हिमालय की जो लेंथ है, जो हाइट है, वो इंक्रीज हो रही है ना. तो टेक्टोनिक प्रोसेस इज द रिस्पॉन्सिबल हियर, एंड द हिमालय रॉक्स फाउंड इन द Himalayas rocks found in layers. Also these regions are responsible for the landslide. And landslide in also in the Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Kerala, here the Nilgiri mountains, Western Ghats, but here the slow than Himalayas. And erosion and deposition. Next topic is erosion and deposition. Here in last paragraph we discuss about the comparison between the landslides in Himalayas and the South India, like Nilgiri and the Western Ghat. In Himalaya, here the landslides occur rapidly, and south part here the Nilgiri and the Western Ghat, here the normally less than the Himalayas landslides. Clear? And now erosion and deposition. Erosion and deposition. What is erosion and deposition? The process where the rocks and here the weathering process. Weathering is the helpful for the erosion. Weathering here, the some particles are scattered here, and the erosionic factor like air, water, glacier, any other also, like here the sea waves. All these erosionic factor work here, and these scattered particles transported by erosionic factor, and where the speed of the erosionic factors, work of the erosionic factor is slow, then here they start the deposition. This is known as the deposition. Clear? Then here the erosionic process and the transportation is included in the erosion, and here the speed of the erosionic factor is slow, then here they start to deposit mass, and the deposition of the mass here, this process is known as the deposition. First of all, we discuss about the erosion involves acquisition and the transportation of the rock debris. So we involve the acquisition and the transportation. When massive rock break into smaller fragment through weathering. weathering से क्या हो रहा है, ये rocks का टूटना हो रहा है. Any other process, erogenic geomorphic agents like running water, groundwater, all these are the erogenic vectors. A glacier, wind and the waves remove and transport it into the place depending upon the dynamic of each of these agents. All these are the erogenic agents, and here the all these agents are responsible for the erosion, abrasion of the rock debris. What is abrasion here? Then these rocks and the some particles erosion here, and the mass attract with the slope here. जब इससे टकराता तो क्या होगा, इसका भी कुछ पार्ट टूटेगा ना. यहाँ से ये मलबा यहाँ से अलग हो गया मास, और ये मास क्या कर रहा है, इस स्लोप से यहाँ से टच करता हुआ आगे निकलता, तो इसको भी क्या करेगा, उखाड़ेगा ना. ठीक है, दैट इज नोन एज द अब्रेशन. दैट इज नोन एज द अब्रेशन. क्लियर. अब्रेशन बाय द रॉक डेब्रिस कैरिंग बाय दीज जियोमॉर्फिक एजेंट आल्सो एड्स ग्रेटली इन इरोजन. क्लियर. एंड also we discussed about the deposition. What is deposition? Deposition is a consequence of erosion, and the erogenic agents lose here the speed is of the erogenic agent, their velocity and the hence energy on gentle slope, and the materials carried by them start to settle themselves. settle यानी कि deposit करना start हो जाते हैं. In other words, deposition is not the actually the work of any agent. The causer materials get deposit first and the final ones later. बार क्या होना इनका, deposition होना. By deposition, depressions get filled up. The same erosional agents like running water, glacier, wind, waves and the groundwater acts accretion and deposition agents also. ये जो agents हैं ये looser हो रहे हैं, slow हो रहे हैं, तो यहाँ पे क्या होना start हो जाता है, deposit. Here the many type of the masses here, or this deposition is known as deposition process. This process is known as the deposition process.